This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Chrome Remote Desktop. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Remote Desktop website. Install the extension and the host application on the computer you wish to access remotely. You'll then be prompted to name your computer and create a secure 6-digit PIN. Remember this PIN, as it's essential for future connections. Once setup is complete, accessing a remote computer is straightforward. On your local device, open the Chrome Remote Desktop application. You will see a list of your configured remote computers. Simply select the computer you wish to control and then enter the 6-digit PIN you created earlier. This will securely connect you to the remote desktop. If you need to share your screen with someone else, the process is just as simple. Within the Chrome Remote Desktop application, select the Share My Screen option. This will generate a unique, one-time access code. Provide this code to the person who needs to connect to your computer. Once they enter it, you will receive a prompt to approve their connection. For a smooth experience, always ensure both computers have a reliable internet connection. If you encounter issues, check your firewall settings, as they can sometimes block the connection. Restarting your Chrome browser or the entire computer can also resolve many common problems. Remember, a strong, unique PIN is crucial for maintaining security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.